Australia is amazing at shipping out iron ore and coal. Fast, efficient, no problem. But when it comes to getting medicine or baby formula into the country, that's where things fall apart. In this video, we'll break down why one of the world's strongest export systems is hiding a big weakness and how it's putting everyday supplies at risk. Stick around. The difference between export and import might surprise you. This is how Australia became a bulk shipping powerhouse. Australia didn't get lucky with exports. It planned for it. The whole economy was built around digging up resources and shipping them out fast. In Western Australia's Pilbara region, there's a ton of iron ore. Every day, some of the longest and heaviest trains in the world carry it across huge distances to Port Hedland, the biggest bulk export port on the planet. Over on the East Coast, coal gets moved from Queensland to busy ports in Newcastle and Gladstone, ready to be shipped overseas. What makes this system so strong is how everything works together. Big mining companies paid to build the railways. The ports don't deal with containers or cruise ships. Just minerals all day, every day. Everything is built to move massive amounts quickly and smoothly. And it pays off. In 2023, Australia shipped out over 600 billion Australian dollars in exports, most of it from natural resources. It's a super efficient system made to do one thing really well: send stuff out fast. But when it comes to boxes and bottles, things get messy. Now imagine trying to bring in a container of car parts or antibiotics. Unlike bulk exports, containerized imports enter through ports like Melbourne and Sydney. Urban terminals that deal with congested roads, limited rail links, and outdated freight systems. Australia depends on container imports for almost all of its consumer goods. But there's little redundancy. Most cargo flows through a small number of major ports, with long ocean transit routes and few alternatives. The result? Even minor disruptions can delay critical goods for weeks. Then came COVID, and everything got exposed. During the COVID-19 pandemic, these weaknesses became impossible to ignore. Factory shutdowns in China halted production. Global shipping delays pushed freight costs from $1,500 to over $10,000 per container. Port strikes in Australia added fuel to the fire. Retailers ran out of stock. Medical supplies were delayed. And while container terminals stalled, bulk exports like iron ore and coal kept flowing. The imbalance was no longer a quiet vulnerability. It was a national crisis. Now, it's not just a port problem, it's a system problem. The fragility extends far beyond the ports. Most container cargo is moved by trucks, not trains. That clogs city roads and slows distribution. Warehouse space near ports is scarce and expensive. The system was never designed for flexibility or resilience. This matters. Australia imports nearly all of its pharmaceuticals and electronic components. When these goods get stuck at sea or on a dock, supply chains across the country can fail. Australia's strength in bulk logistics has led to tunnel vision. The same country that can send 1 million tons of coal to Asia each week often struggles to get diapers and aspirin from ship to shelf. Export infrastructure is advanced and well-funded. The import side is fragmented and reactive. In today's world where global shocks are more frequent and more severe, that's more than inefficient, it's risky. So what now? Australia's export system is strong, but its import logistics are falling behind. Until both sides are prioritized, the engine won't run smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more global trade insights.